How to use Jasper AI writing platform properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Jasper AI is one of the most powerful AI writing platforms out there, yet many beginners make mistakes that limit its potential. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. Mastering Jasper from the start can save time and increase content quality. The first mistake is skipping the setup of clear instructions. Jasper performs best when given detailed prompts. Beginners often type fake commands like write a blog post, but you'll get much better results by specifying tone, audience, format, and length. For example, write a 600-word blog post for small business owners about boosting social media engagement in a friendly tone. Gives Jasper a clear direction and reduces editing time. Another common error is not using Jasper's content frameworks. Templates like IDA, pause, or blog post outlines are designed to structure high-converting content efficiently. Ignoring these means you're missing out on one of Jasper's biggest advantages. Beginners also tend to rely solely on Jasper's output without editing. While I can generate impressive content, it still requires fact-checking, tone adjustments, and personalization. Skipping this step can lead to inaccuracies or generic-sounding copy. Overlooking Jasper's integration features is another costly mistake. Connecting Jasper with tools like Surface SEO or Google Docs streamlines workflows and ensures content is optimized for search engines and collaboration. Finally, not experimenting with Jasper's creativity settings limits results. Adjusting the creativity or temperature levels can produce more engaging, innovative, or persuasive content depending on your goals. To use Jasper effectively, start with detailed prompts, leverage built-in templates, carefully edit AI-generated text, integrate with other tools, and experiment with creativity settings. Avoiding these beginner mistakes transforms Jasper from a basic writing assistant into a powerful content creation engine that saves time and elevates your marketing efforts.